Comparing or ordering decimal numbers. Which is greater, 17 and 38 hundredth or 17 and 9 tenths? To do this, we use the whole number to compare. So the whole number for the first number is 17, and for the second one is also 17. So the whole numbers are the same. So we can use 17 to compare the two fractions. We have to move to the next digit, which is the place of tenth. And for the place of tenth, for the first number we have 3, and for the second one we have 9. And so 3 is less than 9. And since 3 is less than 9, we pick this. The number which is 17.9 is greater because 9 is greater than 3. Hence, 17.9 is greater than 17.38. Next one is, which is greater, 2 or 1.998? Okay, for the whole, 2 and 1. And so 2 is greater than 1. Hence, 2 is greater than 1.998. Because when you look at it, the whole number here are not the same. And so 2 is greater than the whole number you have here. So you don't need to consider the decimal place, the digit you have in the decimal place. And so 2 is greater than 1.998. Next, which is greater, 43.68 or 43.678? Let's look at the whole number first. 43 for the first one and 43 for the second one. So they are the same. We can use the whole number to compare that. We move to the 10th place. Here we have 6. Here we have 6 as well. They are the same. We can use the 10th place to compare. So the next is the 100th place. For the 100th place, here we have 8. And for the 100th place, for the second number, we have 7. And so we can use this to compare the two numbers. So 8 is greater than 7. And so 43.68 is greater than 43.678. Next question, arrange in ascending order. When you are asked to arrange in ascending order, you are meant to arrange from the smallest to the biggest. And so there's need for us to compare here. For the whole number here, we have 0. For the second one, we have 0 as well. For the next one, we have 0. And for the next one here, we have 0. All right. So we can use the whole number to compare or to arrange these decimal numbers. We move on to 10th place. For the first one we have here, the first number we have here, the 10th place is 0. And for the second one, the 10th place is 0. The next one, the 10th place is also 0. And for the last one, the 10th place is 0. And so the 10th place are also the same thing. We need to move to the 100th place. The 100th place in the first one here is 9. Okay. The 100th place in here is 3, and the 100th place here is 9. The 100th place here is also 1. So we use the 100th place to compare right now. Okay, let's look at the smaller one then. So if you look at it here, 0.01 is the smallest. Okay, and it's less than 0.03, less than 0.09, less than 0.098.